Tinyi balolola enunye wa.
Demi pomaro ifuga kanto alo nungro mamanya classroom e wala teacher gbena wa e chita manao. You read, look at plan by repeating and reading over and over. That's what makes where you want to go. Mapo director, we have a director, the commander Zorokwi Jinam. Mother Vanko Obacho. Yai Anlo Chido. And the baby Chimana come on Yushu. We let our Shiva be not balance was strong. Because the Kamali Fushu, Kamali that I show. They must strong, but American University fee never in the university. That Bana was strong, Kaka, if you are doctor, commander, the policeman. I will fiam the Univa University. At that blue, Chiva fear no more. Gokulaga Miao Payamana. I guess she got a I feel by woman to Gamala Pumamu. Ijila Gamala Oshio. I feel like a what tonight, right? Your parents having no money has no effect on whether or not you're going to go forward. Your determination, reading, asking questions, and following up is what is going to move you. Now the Anlo Literary Project you're not going to scholarship now go if you're not studying. If you can't read it, you can't write. Maratama became at the scholarship now go okay. You know, if you like Mr. Guarantee was talking about culture. Yeah, I'm a European about culture because I'm not toy they took the balakla alakla for you to me. You because your father other very important even the too. That removal of your culture is very important. But I university go have our woman. Let me know if you have a university about culture. No, but you know about it. You talk made it Legon, of a father like my problem. And who to never do go in a library, in a room, in a program, never. Okay, that was the real project I was sharing. I was where the project I'm on, Yamato, Aka Ujoka, a Kamojo, popular, motor of a classical account. Because we never comparo Molia library money. Abanya, Abachonani, and Yami library. Motor to Togotani, Avan, or library. 45 minutes driving, man. But they got a room, being a library and Anglogan. Then you could at our one or then you got a never classical me. Books so long. First time on your phone, the teacher so the scope headmaster so. Then you come up one time volunteer, but now your hard reading club school so. I don't know reading club, and then you join or come on, dog. No, reading club, I think yes, you na abuova na ganye sheka jino ka ova okwa over here never check agbana out nya klan club ama me then many teachers so wo girl akebe quiz so have me story time have me book report got to have work na be woman na ma ka agbana ka klan I don't know get easier na me you need to agbana strong na me Aboma Konami took on the Yaman of the Chipagana. I come a dog, right? That Miadala Vervinania, Clabanana culture, no culture, Vervinani. You follow Bomba, number 9 Jiba, I may bonnet, if you want last night to know what's going on, write it in the book. Tamanya Africa give you the Mabana. I'm able to feel like so it's a thing you share a video man. And for information highway we the Kodranian Alabama. In our chichima, I'm you share with Yana Gomakari, Yamaro Goni, Gomakari, Gokaya. You was strong me. Electricity, my Yagoni, Lemia Gofiano. Kakoma Mao, Dogo, Mazoma Gama Ghana, was tried and made it. If you know Boom, Kajedi, library, what you bathroom, you do your room. To the effect, Miaba Bato, Miaba so strong, and you are for my boy in the beginning.
My name is Eliplim Kulawoshi. I am the Assistant Library Officer at the Agbozuma Branch Library. And working with the Anlo Literary Project, I think this project is a laudable project that is going to help the children who visit our libraries and the children in the community as well to benefit from the materials that they have brought. Because these materials, looking at them, they are readable books for children from the lower primary to the upper primary, GHS and SHS. And since these children are always calling for new books, I think the arrival of these books and the launching of this project will go a long way to boost their interest, to boost their habit of reading. Yes, it is there to satisfy their need. And I hope they will take good care of these books to build their future.
Tia me ma dofia me ndoko. Kakenya nubla ninya ba mia view e bio liba su dema o bobo yo manu klago. Mito nyata pa.
Naked, claiming that it is done over there. But I think the weather at the places, at some places over there, is so cold that they'll dress and re-dress on top. But when those born over there, the climate there comes to our area here. Because of the heat, the nature of the weather, they try to remove their coat and some other things. So we shouldn't look at that as the major type of dressing that they have in overseas. We should just look at how Madame is dressed. We should look at how she's culturally dressed, so that we don't dress half naked and start walking on our streets as if we are half mad. That means you are not cultured. Because those who are mad, they don't normally want to put on dress. I'm not saying that you should all dress with the dress touching the floor. But at least you should dress like a Ghanaian. You should dress like somebody from Southern Volta or the land of Anlo, so that you will be recognized as such. Thank you very much.
Looking at the enthusiasm among the children today, I realize that they are very happy. These books are going to help them and they are ready to receive them, take care of them, because they have been longing for this opportunity for a while. And now that ALP, the Anlo Literary Project, is in, I think they will get regular books, regular supply of books to quench their taste for reading materials. So they are really happy about it, and I know they will cultivate the habit of visiting our libraries for this. And one thing is, when they hear of new books, that is when they flood the libraries to go through these books. So I know the arrival of these books and the message that you are taking across in the media will help the children to rush into our libraries from now onwards to enjoy the books.
As I told the director in charge, they are bedfellow. You cannot attend school without reading books. If you attend school without reading books, that means you are not schooling. It is true that we are in the world of ICT, but books are still needed, because even using the ICT, you still need to print out and share, as we normally do to our students, because not all are having the computers with them. It will take some time for us to leave paper completely, that is, to go to paperless education. It will take some time because we are not having the facilities for the necessary technologies now. But where we are now, we are at the foot of technology, and we'll soon climb up to the knee, and gradually we shall get to the stomach and the top. With this project that is coming on, I know very soon our children or students at the Anlo traditional areas will get enough reading materials to read, in order that to perform well in their educational fields, so that whatever they will do will not be confined to only the Anlo traditional area, but to go to the rest of the regions in Ghana, the rest of the country, and the rest of the continent at large. We therefore thank those who sat down and then brought the idea that to help the Anlo state to get reading materials, the libraries around should get more books, get tricycles, and then motorbikes, so that they will move from place to place to enhance the library work in our district and municipality in Bukasa. Thank you very much, and we hope that more will be coming. We are here like Oliver Twist, and we'll be demanding more from the Ghana Library Authority and then the Anlo Library Authority as well. So we look forward that you help us so that the next time that you meet these children somewhere, their reading, fluency, and everything, you like it yourself and then applaud it, because reading is the beginning of wisdom. Thank you very much.
Area where the library is situated. So you can encourage your friends if you are not doing anything. We still open on vacations, so you can still come around and read. And with the programs that we are hoping to bring, or the other programs that are going on, we are also bringing activities that is related to you being able to read books from the library. And so it can be like, we will pick a book from the library and have maybe a competition on it among schools. So it is only when you come to the library, you patronize the books there, that you'll be able to know much of the books in the library. Do you get me? Okay, so
Ola secondary school Madafia. At that time, I remember Monya Bana, but Toriona. Who were another community shop on the Gumina. You see another community shop now. So, how is that good? Never fear gold money, diamond money, uku money. Had Bana struggle and I gonna leave the Gadri. I'm over on a couple of my fear. You struggle and you go. Upon a scholarship dog go to woman. I can actually let me make a strong with my balance. I go down. Mobile phone as show. Now people do pornography for me, but people are not strong. Look here, and I go back but I was on my no matter, you never chichu, never retire. Now, Fiero, Yaka, Ferry, Manonia for your forefather, Jikiano, enjoying because anyway, you don't be a motor. You must feel but I affect you. I can't know you feel it. I'm going to be the no matter. Platform and your form, I'm more got a motor, see a motor strong way, Yamacho Yang, Yamuson Moga. You don't go up, never going to be a few, oh, you well. Kaka and Nana. She got a Marabe, but she can give up on a choker and I'm not going for librarians, so librarians, you got chose Sagina, the program I go on, whoa, whenever, but you can't wait only to the original. You bring on me half an hour. Every day, all the WhatsApp G, Cham library, so we will need a Ubrinami, but you need originally. Nyanya Goma, but don't have not connected with a head librarian in the US. So we'll have a Zoom training every week, right? 3 times a month, yeah. We'll have a Zoom training. You'll get all training. Training, my name will all the Motoro certificate for their training, mama. No certificate, I know Zoto. Zoto, not for a million at your wall, and go on a strong, paper time, and you want strong for free. A certificate, my hobola, I don't know your other region, I've trained librarians to last month. I cannot go. You pursue what you want and you get it.
Abalafekla here a little bit. Avachemia manoma de miela de kemo kakene de nunya balafeklo nyo. Fia miema do fia miem do ko. Kakenya nubla nya ba mia view de bio liba su dema wo bobo yo manu klago. Mito nya tefa. Amalo la fia via.
I've been here for 3 days. I started from KETA. No, I started from KETA. Then I came to Anlo. Today I'm here. All because of them. It's because they are trying to, bring up the education standard in the Anlo tradition or area. I was just telling my colleagues yesterday that when I joined the service about 35 years ago, all those in our organization, those in the big positions, were the people from the, the Volta region. But now it's coming down. So I'm very glad that they've taken up this opportunity to ensure that, you take that position again. Because those days, any position, anywhere that you go, you see Anlo or a Rotarian heading that position. But now it's coming down. So let's clap for them for trying to bring you people up. Fellows work hand in hand. Libraries are information-oriented institutions. By information-oriented institution, it means whatever we do, we try to give you information. Centers where the general public come and fish out for their information needs. I always use this mnemonics. Eric. Say Eric. Masamon Popoya Achitre Soma Jukwata la KETU SOUTH Municipal Assembly. The KETU SOUTH. I have 3 paramours in the KETU SOUTH. Aplau Traditional Council and area. Soma Traditional Area, Black Record Traditional Area, Common. Adapanami. Le and Mia. We call it a covenant. Could I never view her or by you so strong? The Vito Yamuka a banana, Mauton and Semi. Ye a fisi, the Bogas Yola. Lamsa, the Copo, Balayao, Monamiana, never view her or by you. Mau never Prodami. Ewa Irania Washington, ye the Aijida Ala, Aqua.